Good afternoon, everyone. This is Trey from Midwest Day Trips. Today we're in Highland, Illinois, checking out the Blue Springs Cafe, famous for pies, as seen on the Food Network. Okay, so let's talk a minute about this place. First of all, it's located right off of I-70, so it's super convenient for people passing through. Now, normally we don't feature places like this because we usually don't care for places like this, but this place is amazing. Every single thing we tasted was awesome, and I mean that sincerely. Even the green beans. Usually I don't care for country-style green beans because they're overcooked, and yeah, these were cooked more than traditional haricot vert, but they weren't mushy, and that means a lot to me. It really speaks to my heart. We also picked up a couple of pot holders that were really cool that we wanted to get on a whim, on an impulse. Anyway, that's about do it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back all the time for new content. Take care, everyone.